today's Mitzvah Minute, following up on yesterday's Mitzvah Loisase, yesterday's prohibition of you are not allowed to take the young birds in a nest without sending away the mother bird. Today we have the positive mitzvah, Mitzvah Saseh number 148, to send away the mother bird if you want to take the young birds and the eggs from the nest. This is the mitzvah of Shiluach HaKan, and the Torah tells us that you're going to have arichos yomim if you do this mitzvah. So, if you need the young birds or the young chickens, you have the opportunity to do the mitzvah Shiluach HaKan. It's not a mitzvah that comes fairly often, but go ahead and do it, and have arichos yomim v'shonim tevis, and enjoy learning rambam for many, many long, happy, healthy years. L'chaim.